Hey everybody, Cynthia here. I'm back with another Pinterest-inspired collaboration project I do with my friend Misha at ScrapsandThings1. Hi Misha. And this week we were supposed to do a Halloween-themed pocket letter. Pocket letters have been around forever and, well, quite a while. Maybe not forever. And this one here really inspired me. I loved the bright colors, all the candy corns, because I'm kind of obsessed with those this year. And if you just type in your search bar in Pinterest, pocket letters, Halloween pocket letters, you can get tons of different ideas. But anyway, a few years ago, when they were really popular, I designed a pocket letter box, gift box. Now these aren't designed to send in the mail by any means. They will get smashed, but I thought they would be really cute, you know, just to stick your pocket letter in for swaps. And I did two different sizes. I did one size for the tutorial, but I gave measurements for another size, and this was a few years ago, but I will definitely post the link below this video if you would like a tutorial on this size box. And I just put a tag here, Boo from me to you, the little ribbon and some twine, and then I made these ghosts on my Cricut, and then it has candy in the background. And then instead of putting putting paper on the lid, I just went around it with this really cool Halloween washi tape. And I just went around the entire box. So this is the gift box. And then, no peeking, Misha. I told her we could show our pocket letters, but her and I are actually doing a little Halloween swap, and this was one of the things we were supposed to make for the swap. So if you don't want to know what it looks like, Misha, stop watching now. But anyway, that's the lid, and then this is my pocket letter, and I'm just gonna pull it out. And this is the inside of the box, the gift box. And then later on, you know, the person can use a gift box for whatever they'd like. But this is how my pocket letter turned out. I used one of those because of the colors. I did nice bright green and purple and orange. I used the witch's tassel that I created a little while ago, and I just put it on with one of these clips. On the sides here and on the back, I used witch's feet ribbon, and I actually used this stuff and it worked so well. It stuck perfectly. It didn't come back off. I used Fabri-Tac for that, and I just put it on the ribbon and I smoothed it over, and it really stayed nice for me. I think a long time ago I used to try to use hot glue to put my ribbon on there, and it just would not stay. It was horrible. But anyway, that's what I used. And I have cut some out of my die cuts. I cut some glittered cardstock here. Every single card you see, I ran through my embossing folder, and then I inked up the spider web embossing. And then I added little sentiments. This one I used some of that spider web netting. This is Happy Halloween in the middle. And I don't know how that got on that side. Let me pull that back out. I thought that looked kind of funny. And then I have a spider coming up here, going down there. Some cobwebs. Just a lot of fun to make these. And then in the back of the pocket letter, in every single pocket, I have handmade embellishments for her. So I have a bunch of scallop circle handmade embellishments here, and then behind that there's Boo. I have a ton of witches hats, that I stamped with my white ink. I have these embellishments here. Some more ghosts I made on my Cricut. Ghosts that say trick or treat. And then some witches embellishments in the background. And then I made all of these envelopes for her she can stuff and use in her mini albums or cards. And then I have these trick or treat candies here. More Halloween embellishments. And then I made these, which I think I might have given her a couple extra, but these are some paperclip embellishments I actually made with the envelopes that I created. So I was able to stick 2 of them in here. They still kind of stick out a little bit, but it's okay because I'm putting it in the gift box so nothing really falls out. But anyway, guys, that's my pocket letter with my gift box, and then you just fold it up and oh, there we go, fits in there nicely, and with the lid. If you have any questions, let me know, and like I said, I'll post a link below if you would like to get the dimensions to create one of these boxes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.